Oh, what an adventure! Get lost with Google Maps. Good morning everyone, how is it all going? It is another glorious day. Yes, there's a bit of clouds there, it's a bit overcast. It's beautiful that way. Just a glorious day. Well, I'm just waiting on a few more things to come, and we're slowly making progress and getting ready to go on our camping trip. I think Ziggy wants to do a wildflower chase this year, so when they start to bloom, yeah, we'll go and see if we can find some nice orchids and stuff. Okay, now this lovely green bank 12 volt 250 amp hour battery, they don't stock these by the way, but I actually have two of them. I have one here, and excuse me while we go for a walk here. And another one here. Okay, they're the same age, and they probably had about 30 cycles on them. Maybe less, maybe 20. But they're not waterproof. And after talking with Ziggy and knowing how sometimes we tend to splash water around in this box, which is why we've got that towel there to wipe it all off. But there's a pump here. It depends how we fill it and where we're getting our water from. But I've decided to put this beautiful waterproof battery in, and you can actually go online. I did a review on them not so long ago, and this battery was sent to me, okay, as a test video, but it's actually a very good waterproof lithium battery, and I would highly recommend them for boats, anywhere where there's wet areas. Okay, they are a waterproof battery. It's got you take these little caps out, and there's screws, and the top can come off, and this is all rubber sealed around the top there. But once you take it off, there's another section underneath that's also got rubber gaskets or nylon gaskets or whatever the gasket, you know, the little rings, okay, that goes all the way around. So it's actually double waterproofed, and they sell them as a waterproof battery, and they are. And I don't know, this one's fully charged. We charged it up, 77%. We charged it up when we first got it, and since video test, it's just been sitting in its box. So I'm actually going to rip this one out. Okay, so we've got this securely mounted. This little go kilowatt hour waterproof battery is in there. I can shake the whole ute with this mount. I had to put the cross bar a fair way back because I had this, where are we? This battery monitor, which are kind of accurate, and I've got my Bluetooth lithium battery monitor on this one, and the circuit breaker's on. It's only a 50 amp circuit breaker because I don't need to get anywhere near the maximum draw on this battery. It probably only runs, look, if it's hot at night, it runs an electric fan off this little inverter. And if it's freezing cold, then it runs the electric blanket, which is only 5 amps. And the fan's not much more than that. Because batteries are quite expensive to buy. So I'm more happier with a waterproof one in here. When we're set to go, then we can go and chase flowers for Ziggy. Follow them down as they bloom. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video. Keep safe everyone. Bye for now.